Hi everyone, this is the Power System Simulation Lab experiment number 4 video. In this video, you will be understanding how to form the bus admittance matrix, that is Y bus, using inspection method. So here using inspection method, MATLAB program is written, and this is the input data. 3-bus system is taken, and if you type the input, you will get this output. So before going to take up this problem, let us understand briefly about what is inspection method. Using this concept, how to find the Y bus. Okay. So I will show you the system for which we are finding the Y bus. So I am showing you the system. In the manual you are seeing, okay, the manual you are seeing the data. Yeah, this is what the data we have for finding the Y bus. As you see here, for this system I want to find the Y bus. How many buses here? We have 3 buses, 1, 2, 3. Between these 3 buses we have connected 3 transmission lines. These 3 transmission lines are having the impedances Z12, Z13 and Z23 is given, and at each bus here we have shunt admittance, that is Y1 is connected to first bus, that is minus J20 mho. The unit of admittance is mho, and at bus 2 we have one more mutual shunt admittance, that is not connected, 0 mho. That means even though it is connected, value is 0, it is not connected like that. And Y3 is connected to the bus 3 and its value is J.25. This is the given data. So for this system, it is required to find the Y bus using inspection method. The brief procedure of finding the Y bus inspection method is very simple. The order of Y bus matrix is equal to the number of buses. Here how many buses? 3 buses. Therefore the order is 3 cross 3 Y bus order. Final Y bus matrix order is equal to the number of buses, 3 cross 3. And the Y bus matrix is having 2 type of elements that we know, that is diagonal elements and off diagonal elements. So how to find the diagonal elements? So diagonal elements are nothing but sum of all the line admittances connected to the each bus, that is self admittance. Example, Y11 first element. For first bus, how many elements are connected? 1 to 2 first element, 1 to 3 second element, and this shunt element. So shunt value is minus J20 Y1 plus this Z12 is there, no? Take reciprocal, you will get Y12, and similarly Y13 is there, no? Take the reciprocal. So sum of these 3 line admittances will give us the self admittance. So mutual admittance is nothing but negative of the line admittance connected between the corresponding nodes. Example, here between 1 and 3 only one element is connected, 1, 3. So take the negative of that. That is, what is the impedance here? Z13. Z13 is known. So take the reciprocal, that is minus 1 divided by Z13. So 1 divided by Z13 value, negative of that is Z13. Similarly, you can find the other elements. Example, Y bus for 3 cross 3 matrix is Y11, Y12, Y13, like these 3 cross 3 elements. No, 2 types of elements, diagonal and off diagonal. So now you learned how to find the diagonal entry and how to find the off diagonal entry. This theory concept is implemented in our MATLAB software. So I will be showing you the program again in the manual, in the program. So please see here. Yeah, this is experiment number 3. Experiment number 4. Yeah, this is experiment number 4. So Y bus, formation of Y bus by inspection method. How many numbers of buses were there? 3, right? 3. Line impedances. Line impedances, we have 3 lines. So we are taken this Z in the matrix format like this here. So here we know Z11 is 0, self all 0 you write, Z12 value is known, Z13 is known. So it is symmetric matrix. Z21 is same as Z12, Z22 0, Z11 2 3. Similarly you take this. So whatever the given data is there, you are taking as it is, and line charging admittances connected to each bus. So at first one we have minus J20, bus 2 there is nothing, and bus 3. So we are taken this in the form of matrix because you are using in MATLAB matrix laboratory. So we have to take the data in matrix format so that we can form the Y bus in the matrix format. So this is how the line impedance and offline charging admittances are taken in the MATLAB coding. See here, that is what we are taken. N is number of buses, 3, Z take that matrix, Ys type as it is, and convert line impedance to line admittance, because as I told you, the Y bus matrix is having admittance values. Line impedances you have to convert into line admittance. Therefore, here you take for I varies from 1 to n, j varies from 1 to n, because rows and columns you have to catch hold, no? That's why you are taken. If I is not equal to j, then reciprocal you take. Suppose if it is same, you can take the Ys in diagonal. That means in this para, you are finding the Y bus supplement. That means a matrix called Y. In this, you have all the entries admittances. Diagonal entries of this Y matrix is Y1, Y2, Y3, that is offline charging admittance, and off diagonal entries are nothing but the reciprocal of the line impedance. So once you get Y, you can find the Y bus. So initially, because Y bus matrix diagonal bando, in the diagonal you will have the self admittances, that is sum of all the line admittances, sum of all. That means you have to take initialize the counter, that is initially 0, you add one value. Okay, here suppose I told you, one bus, first bus is having 3 elements, so 3 values you should add one after the other. Initially the value is 0, Y12 is added, similarly next Y13, next Y1, like this it is added. When I is not equal to j, reciprocal you will take, and that you will be passing into off diagonal entry of the Y bus matrix. This is how the Y bus matrix has built, and you can print. So this is what the final result of Y bus matrix, and this program is implemented in MATLAB software. See, this is the program. I will maximize this. See, type the program as it is, like you did in the previous semester in DSP lab and all, no? So same program you type as it is. As it is you type the program, whatever I explained, no? Same as it is you type, then you run the program. Just go to the split screen and see here it is coming. Enter the number of buses, type 3, and then enter the line impedance. Line impedance means, see, already previously written coding is there, you have to select that, that's all. Okay, see, I have selected this type. Otherwise, if it is new, you didn't do any of this kind of experiment, means you have to type this part, okay, type as it is, you will get. Enter the offline charging admittance. Already I have typed, okay, in my previous experiment, that's why, yeah. So here you see, first it asked the asking about number of buses. I typed 3, and then it is asked about enter the line impedance. I typed this equation, it came as it is, okay, and enter the offline charging admittance. I typed this as it is in the manual. You will get this Y matrix. I told you, Y matrix is all admittances, and afterwards okay, the program will take care to find the Y bus matrix of a given power system. See here how many elements? 1, like this, 2, 3 cross 3 elements. This is what the output all of you should get. So type the program as it is and run the software, you will get this output. Okay, thank you for the patience listening. Thank you all.